Hello and welcome back to Miss T's Idea. Okay, and today I got some makeup. My makeup supplies for my crafting. I'm crafting my junk journal today. Okay. Foundation. That's the rest of my stuff. I even got some eyelashes. Okay. Squeeze some of that on there. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay. This is in my glue book. And it's so simple to get a back page, like the backdrop. That's what we do in glue books. You need the backdrop. Whether you color it, paint it, the paper over it, you need the backdrop. Okay. So this is my canvas for my glue book. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my pen, make this out of a face. I'm not a drawer, okay? And I'm going to make some eyes. I'm not an artist. I'm basically doing this to show you how we can use our supplies, our makeup supplies, the stuff we have, instead of have to go out and buy everything, okay? I repeat, I'm not an artist. Okay, I need a black pen. I need a black pen. Okay. Make some eyes. Can I write with this? Okay. Oh, I'm not going to be before you long. I'm going to open my pen. Oh, I got plenty of pens, too. Pens. All right. I don't know why all of them want to be thin. I'm not an artist. I'm not an artist. But this is on the page in my junk journal, okay? Okay. I'm not an artist. Okay. There's the nose. That's the nose. Okay, I'm gonna draw a mouth. It's just examples because I'm not the artist, okay? And doing stuff like this is just getting you comfortable in your comfort zone. So, there it is. There you have it. Okay, I need an eyeliner. Well, let's see here. Put a little line under the eye. An eyeliner. And I got an eyeliner pen. Okay. There. Where's my mascara? Mascara. Oh. I'm going to put some eyebrows with the mascara. Okay? This is just using supplies. Using up your supplies. This is my old makeup supplies. And I'm just showing you this. I'm not about this life like that. Okay. Now, that's some eyelashes. Okay. And this is literally going to be in my book. journaling book. See the eyelash? I see the eyelash. Let's see. The eyelash on. Or maybe I should put it like this. Like that. Okay. I have some longer ones now. Maybe I need the dramatic for this. Okay. Maybe I need the dramatic kind. You know, people like wearing them dramatic ones. Well, I don't. But anywho. Okay. Okay. Now, fix the lips just a little bit more. I should have a better pen than this. Okay, that's the lips. I am not, I repeat, am not an artiste. Okay, put some lipstick. Let's get that lipstick going on. And please like and subscribe, because I am trying to work some magic here. The lips are pretty? Okay. Okay. Maybe she needed a bigger nose, huh? What you think? Okay, this is my lipstick. And I got some matte lipstick right here. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on top, because this is dry. This will dry it up if it's not dry. But if I wouldn't put this on here, I would just dry it up with a cotton ball. And it would be in full color. Should have tried to draw a widow's peak. I have a widow's peak. I should have tried to draw a widow's peak. Okay. I know what I'm gonna get. Okay. I have an eyeliner pencil. So my pen's gonna act up. Okay, right here, eyeliner pencil. Let's see what I can do, cause I'm not a straight shooting gal like that. Let's see, put a little this and put a little that, put a little this, put a little that. Oh, put a little line like a little cat eye. Let's see. There we go. I have been trying to doodle though. Doodling is kind of like a drawing. Just a simple scribble like. Yeah. Let's put a little cat eye. Y'all see that little cat eye? Let's see. See if I can make that line. Let's see if I can make it. And this is really eyeliner, y'all. See, so we can use stuff that we have and save on some money. You can't go around being a starving artist. Let's get that line tight. Get that line tight. Okay. I wish I knew how to make let's see, make this nose a little more distinguished. This is the line. I botched that nose up, but you know, it don't matter. It really don't. Okay. Now what I'll do now is I'll take some glue, some fabric fix glue, and put this. I want to put this right. I want it to stick up Let's see if I can make it stick up. Fabric fix. Fabric fix. Okay, just a little fabric fix. But actually, I have some eye glue in my makeup bag. And I could use that. I'll use that next time to keep everything authentic. There we go. There we go. Okay. Hey, you got a crazy girl right here. Okay. I'll try most things once. Not everything though. Most things. Some things. If it don't hurt me, I'll kill me. If it don't hurt me, I'll kill me. Okay, there you go. Okay, do we need some blush? Do we need some blush? Let's see. Blush, blush, blush. Now, we go around looking for ephemera and all that everywhere. And look, this all out of my old makeup. I have some young nieces and stuff coming along, and I said to myself, I said, well, you know, maybe they want that makeup I have, you know. They don't want that. Throw that away. They don't want none of your old makeup. You old and your makeup old. They don't want none of that. They don't want none of that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at there. Look at there. Okay. Oh, it's getting good to me now. Let me see. What else I need? I need some. Let me see what I need. Oh, I need this. This right here. Nope, that's not it. Let's see what I need. What I need is, I need some shimmer, some bronzer, some highlighter, some sheen, some make it shine. See? Blue, see? There you go. Okay. You know they put that stuff. They put that stuff to call, they said beating their face. That's what they call it. Baking and beating. I don't know nothing about that. When I was coming up, that's all we needed was a lipstick and a liner. That was it. That was all. Okay. A lipstick and this is that bronzer. We went on with it. All right. Let's see. Get some of this off of her. No, I'm not trying to clown her. Don't do that. Don't do that. Nope. She's pretty. That's a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl. Look at the pretty girl. Oh, let's see. What? Okay. I kind of messed up the mascara a little bit. Let me hit it a little bit right here. Let me put them. I'm putting bold and beautiful. Bold and beautiful. That's what I'm doing. There you go. You know, I imagine a starving artist had to do what he had to do so he wouldn't starve. Okay? So, we're doing it with makeup. We're doing it with makeup. There we go. I've never done this before in my life, y'all. So spare me. Let me see if I can put a little. Let's see if I can take this and put some little lines right here. You know, like she got some bottom eyelashes. Yeah. It's never ending like she got some bottom ones. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. 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 Oh, she got a small nose. Oh, she got a small nose. Well, beautiful complexion. Beautiful. You know, I could put a little weave on. You know, I don't know how far I'm going to this. I may do some more to it. I'm feeling I'm gonna work on this some more because it's my first one, and I like what it's giving. That nose is too small though. That nose is too small. Well, this is Miss T Ideas, and y'all see I got ideas. If you like what you see, please, thank you for coming to visit my channel. And come again and see what we can get off into. If you got any ideas for me to try, I'm here. I'm here for it. I'm here for all of it. This is a makeup session. Well, this is my my journal. This is my glue journal. Okay, this is my glue journal, and hey, I just made this face. Thank you. See you next time. Miss T's Ideas. Bye-bye.